In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see history in Grammarly. If you've ever wanted to revisit an earlier draft, compare how your writing evolved, or bring back a version you liked better, Grammarly's version history makes that quick and reliable. I'll walk you through opening your document, finding the history panel, and reviewing, downloading, or restoring past versions so you can confidently track changes over time. First, head to Grammarly.com and open the document you want to review. Make sure you are looking at the exact file where you've been making edits, because version history is tied to that specific document. Once it's open in the Grammarly editor, you are ready to access the history. Next, locate the version history option. Look to the top left corner of the editor for the menu button. It typically appears as a small menu icon above your document. Click that menu button and in the drop-down that appears, choose Version History. This opens a panel that lists snapshots of your document, each with a timestamp, so you can see when Grammarly saved those versions as you worked. Now it's time to review and restore. Browse through the list of previous versions by scrolling through the timestamps. Selecting any timestamp will show you that exact version, letting you see the content as it was at that point in time. This is especially helpful if you want to compare language choices, structure, or edits you made across a writing session. If you find a version you want to keep separately, you can download it directly from this view. Downloading is a great option when you want to copy for reference or to share without changing your current draft. If you decide that an earlier version is the one you actually want to continue working with, choose Restore. Restoring replaces the content in your editor with the version you selected, effectively rolling the document back to that moment. Don't worry, this action is still part of your document's timeline, so you can always return to version history and move between versions as needed. A helpful tip is to restore only when you are certain you want that version to become the working draft. Otherwise, downloading keeps your current content intact while giving you a safe copy of the older version. And that's all there is to it. Open your document, click the menu in the top left. Select Version History, then View, Download, or restore the version that suits your needs. Thanks for watching.